In the world of finance, precision, oversight, and timely execution are not just desirable. They are absolute necessities. Whether you're managing departmental budgets, tracking complex financial projects, or ensuring compliance, having a robust system in place can make all the difference. While ClickUp is widely known as an all-encompassing project management tool, its extensive feature set offers surprising depth for financial professionals. The key is to understand how these functionalities can be leveraged to streamline financial operations and enhance fiscal control. Let's dissect the core features of ClickUp and explore how they become invaluable assets in a financial management context. 1. Customizable task management, your financial ledger elevated. At its heart, ClickUp is a task management powerhouse, but it's far more than just a to-do list. For finance professionals, this translates into a highly adaptable ledger for all financial activities. Custom statuses, forget generic to-do and done. In ClickUp, you can create statuses that mirror your specific financial processes. Imagine statuses like invoice received, awaiting approval, payment scheduled, paid, or reconciled. This visual workflow ensures every financial transaction is tracked precisely through its life cycle. Custom fields. This is where ClickUp truly shines for financial tracking. Beyond standard fields, you can create custom fields for almost any data point relevant to your finances. Think invoice number, vendor name, amount due, payment date, budget category, GL code, approval status, or even a formula field to automatically calculate variances or totals. This allows for incredibly granular data capture and reporting. Subtasks and checklists. Break down complex financial tasks, like month-end close or annual budget preparation, into manageable subcomponents. A month-end close task could have subtasks for reconcile bank accounts, process accruals, prepare financial statements, and a checklist for each. This ensures no step is missed and promotes consistency. Dependencies. Financial processes often have a strict order. ClickUp's dependencies allow you to link tasks so that one cannot begin until another is completed. For example, process payroll can be dependent on approved timesheets, or generate financial reports on reconcile all accounts. This prevents errors and enforces procedural integrity. 2. Powerful views, your financial data visualized. Finance is all about data, and how you view that data can profoundly impact decision-making. ClickUp offers a variety of views to help financial experts get a clear picture. List view. Your traditional spreadsheet-like view, perfect for organizing lists of invoices, expenses, or budget lines. With custom fields, it becomes a dynamic financial register. Board view, Kanban visualize your financial workflows. Each column can represent a status, e.g., pending approval, approved, disbursed, dragging tasks, invoices, expense reports. Between columns provides an immediate sense of progress and bottlenecks. Table view. This is a game changer for financial analysis. It acts like a powerful spreadsheet within ClickUp, allowing you to manipulate and calculate data from your custom fields directly. You can sum up expenses by category, calculate project costs, or identify spending trends, all within the platform. Gantt charts. Essential for financial project planning, like an audit or a system implementation. Gantt charts visually represent task timelines, dependencies, and critical paths, helping you manage resource allocation and ensure projects stay on schedule and within budget. Calendar view. Keep track of financial deadlines, payment due dates, or recurring reporting cycles at a glance. 3. Automation. Putting your financial processes on autopilot. Repetitive financial tasks consume valuable time and are prone to human error. ClickUp's automation features are a dream come true for efficiency. Automated status changes. When an expense report is approved, automatically change its status to ready for payment. Automatic assignments. When a new invoice received task is created, automatically assign it to the accounts payable team. Notifications and reminders. Set up automated reminders for upcoming payment deadlines, report submissions, or when a budget line is approaching its limit. Custom integrations via Zapier, etc. While not native, ClickUp can integrate with various accounting software, e.g., QuickBooks, Xero via tools like Zapier. This allows for data to flow between systems, reducing manual data entry and ensuring financial records are always up to date. 4. Dashboards and reporting, your financial command center. For finance professionals, actionable insights are paramount. ClickUp's dashboards and reporting tools allow you to build custom financial dashboards and generate performance reports. Custom dashboards. Build a personalized financial control panel. Add widgets to track key financial metrics like total expenses by category, invoices pending approval, cash flow projections, or project budget burn rate. This provides a real-time, high-level overview of your financial health. Advanced reporting. Generate detailed reports on task completion rates related to financial cycles, time spent on various financial activities, e.g., auditing, budgeting, and team workload distribution within the finance department. This data can inform resource allocation and process improvements. 5. Docs and whiteboards, collaborative financial documentation. Financial work often involves extensive documentation and collaborative problem solving. Docs. Create and store financial policies, procedures, audit trails, and detailed financial reports directly within ClickUp. Collaborate on these documents in real time with your team, ensuring everyone is working from the latest version. Whiteboards. Brainstorm budget allocations, visualize cash flow scenarios, or map out financial process improvements in a free-form, collaborative environment. Convert ideas directly into actionable tasks.